Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable JavaScript in Google Chrome browser. So let's get started. You can see this is Google Chrome browser. So go ahead and launch your Google Chrome and go to the three dots on the right top and then go to settings. Right now you need to go to this privacy and security. So from settings to privacy and security. So this is privacy and security. Go to site settings. One thing to remember, Google keeps changing its user interface. So you will have to figure out where is site privacy and security and then site settings. Under here you just scroll down. And under content you will see it has in JavaScript. So just click on it and then you have this button to block it. So this is how you can disable JavaScript. To enable it, you just let it go, like let it be allowed. In case if you just want to block certain sites, so if you want to block JavaScript or disable JavaScript on certain website, you can add those website URLs here. If this is blocked permanently, you can allow few websites that have JavaScript and you want to run them. So this is how you enable and disable JavaScript in Google Chrome browser. So that's all for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestion, leave in the comment and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye for now.